I bet you $1 million you didn't think you could find a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, almost 1,300 square feet with a 1-car attached garage in Sarasota. It's possible. It's possible. And you could buy this listing in Carolina Landing. Stay tuned for the tour of this great little townhouse. Come on down. Let's take a tour of this Carolina Landings listing. You might remember I sold another one earlier this year in the community, but it was only a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, no garage. Guys, that one sold for $272 without all that, and it needed a new AC unit and a new hot water tank. This one here is a great value. So when you come on into the community, if you want to take a tour of the other one as well, just for some more community views, it's gated. It's located just north of University Parkway, within the same block as Fresh Market, and across the street is Whole Foods. You get everything here at the UTC Mall, all of the amenities. The Sarasota Bradenton International Airport, probably like an 8-minute drive from here. The interstate to get to Tampa or go south. Tampa is about 50 minutes north. And obviously you see behind me, this is not furnished, but we are photographing this today, and usually 99.9% of the time, including this one, when they're unfurnished like this, we do virtual staging. So the main living area where I'm standing here and the primary bedroom are usually virtually staged, so I'll be doing that. And it's actually a rainy, cloudy day, but my photographer always makes the clouds go away. They Photoshop, they make it look nice and blue skies out, so no worries. But back to the unit. So the really big selling points to this property, well, there's so many, I guess I don't even know where to start, but the 1-car attached garage is humongous. So you can pull up and park outside and use the garage for additional storage. You can store your car in there. You have that extra parking spot outside your garage as well, so you can have 2 vehicles easily. And then the 3rd bedroom is just a huge point of value to increase the value of a property. So if you live here or you rent it or whatever, it's just a huge value. There is no carpeting except for in the closets, which is really nice because it's Florida and most people don't like carpeting. Lots and lots of windows. This is a light and bright unit. Hard to recreate with just paint, but it has been freshly painted. It's very neutral. You have all the things that most people want: the lit fans with the remote control, the no carpeting, like I said, you've got tile, and then you have wood, both in the stairwell and all the bedrooms. Like I said, there's just a really tiny amount of carpeting, and it's just in the closets. So a really nice open kitchen, plenty of room in that kitchen to put a large island. And then you have a separate dining room. Just, you could have your Thanksgiving there, like there's plenty of room to extend it with, lots of people have like the extensions for their dining room tables with leaves. So you could do that there, and then really nicely positioned off of that lanai back there, a generously sized open screened lanai that faces the greenery and the community. So you're not facing on a ray, you're not on a busy road, which is huge. I forgot to mention, also huge, the brand new roof in 2023. It's just so huge for insurance reasons and all of that, just security, hurricanes, all of it. So 2023 roof, 2023 AC, also big expenses that have been done. We've got black GE appliances, granite countertops in the kitchen. What else am I missing? Oh, underneath the stairwell too, there's a big L-shaped storage area, which is so great because not only do you have the garage, but you also have in-home extra storage for like luggage and just like big things like that. And then moving on upstairs, you have the whole primary suite, which has lots of windows, again, with the wood flooring. Built-in, really nice actually, built-in walk-in closets. You've got the shelving, you've got the pull-outs, you've got the little cubby holes for extra things like purses and socks or whatever. Really nice custom closet there. And then you've got the dual sinks with tub shower combo. And then in the hallway, so the hallway bathroom is shared by bedrooms 2 and 3. And in the hallway bathroom, you've got a full tub shower and then the single sink. And then the other 2 bedrooms, like I said, they both also have wood flooring, lots of windows. The bedroom 2, we're calling it, again with the wood flooring, has the 2 side-by-side closets. And then the bedroom 3 has another walk-in closet, less custom than the primary, but still a walk-in closet, which is really nice if you've got kids or grown kids, young kids. We all have just stuff, right? Stuff and more stuff. The HOA fee for this one, it goes by floor plan. So this one's $353 per month, and that includes, you know, your common insurance, all the amenities. Amenities being the gate, the clubhouse, fitness, pool. Just great to have, you know, if you like that sort of thing. And it's just, you know, for $353 or whatever it is a month, it's really not too bad. So great community, great location. You can rent this. You can have a pet. Tenants can't have pets. Ask me about any other rules, regulations. I have all of the HOA documents. We've got the budget. We've got the minutes. We've got, you know, of course, as we sit here in 2025, people want to know the numbers. People want to know the rules. I am a super organized realtor, and I don't, like a lot of realtors, they'll go and look at the other listings for information. I just never trust. I always trust but verify. Never trust and always verify. So that I am giving you the most updated, most accurate, correct information for whatever I'm selling. So if you have questions about pet rules, leasing rules, more specifics on any of that, taxes, insurance rates, obviously it's moved out of and it's ready to go. It is move-in ready. It's painted, it's fresh. You've got the marble windowsills. I mean, just such a great little property. Like I said, these are hard to come by, especially at $299. So, by the way, a lot of times I get asked too, like, Shayla, you only do luxury, you only do high-end. Absolutely not. I've been selling here for so long. I know lots of people from lots of walks of life, and this will be $299. I've got properties up into the millions, right? And from the islands to the mainland, this is obviously mainland, close to Lake Ranch, so just lots of areas. I've got a lot of great inventory right now. I've got a home listed down the way off of the same street in University Park for $1.375. Beautiful courtyard, updated home. I've got island properties from Anna Maria, Longboat, all the way down to Minnesota Key, quite literally, from old to new, rehab, not, everything in between. So I want to be your go-to realtor for questions about the market too. So please keep an eye on the channel because I like to talk about the market a lot. And any questions you have about this unit, you want to have a private tour, it's going to be really easy to get into and to show. 941-544-7690. Again, Shayla Twit, thank you for watching, subscribing, sharing, commenting, liking. $299. You cannot beat this. $299. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1282 square feet, 1-car garage. Call me.